Do you feel anxious or stressed? Don't tell me no, because I know whether you are a child or an adolescent or an adult, a boy or a girl, male or female, young or old, non-working or a working professional, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh or Christian. Anxiety and stress is a part and parcel of everyone's life. Thanks to ever increasing competition, modern lifestyle, and now this COVID-19. No matter you are an employee or an employer, admin or CEO of a company, a small startup business owner or a big business owner, no matter what your position or roles and goals are, one designation you have got by default, and that is of a manager. And the biggest responsibility as a manager you are given is self-management. And when we talk about the self-management, the two most important areas of self-management are body and mind. You are supposed to keep your body in proper shape and mind in the right frame. Your body and mind both send signals regularly and call for your attention whenever there is a need. However, unfortunately, you neither pay attention to your body nor your mind until or unless its direct effects become quite visible and begin to hamper your day-to-day routine, which keeps you busy whole day and at times even in nights. Hence, I am here. I want to draw your attention toward your body and mind and encourage you to stay healthy physically, mentally, and emotionally, so that you can stay happy, which is the ultimate goal that everyone is trying to achieve. If you are following me on Instagram at usha.trainer, you must have noticed that I am regularly posting self-management tips focusing on fighting anxiety and stress. Now you will ask, why anxiety and stress? Self-management is not only about stress and anxiety. That's true. Self-management means a lot. However, no matter how talented you are, no matter how good you are at hard skills or other soft skills, if you are continuously worrying, if you are stressed, you will never ever be able to perform to your fullest. Trust me, anxiety is like a virus which you can't see, but it can surely not only see you but can also kill you from within, and that too silently without you even knowing about it. Effects of anxiety in mind soon start to show up on your body. Anxiety unattended for a long period of time turns into stress, and prolonged stress to depression. And depression is such a state where you need proper medical attention, that too under a well-qualified medical practitioner, medical professional. When you are anxious or stressed, your sleep patterns change, you experience sharp mood swings, unreasonable anger, emotional outbursts, lack of focus, reduced memory, headache, shoulder pain, low appetite, and much more. And all this not only affects your professional life but also personal life negatively. Hence, I request you to please begin to pay attention to your body and mind if you have been ignoring, neglecting it all this while. In my earlier post on Instagram, I talked about how exercise and time management can help reduce anxiety and stress. Today, I would like to tell you about meditation and its magical effects on mental and physical health. Let us know what is meditation. See, meditation is an ancient wellness practice that focuses on three things. And these three things are awareness, attention, and compassion. Now the question is, why meditation? Meditation can be a good choice for the people who cannot find time for exercise, or those who are not inclined for the outdoor activities or the physical exercise, those who don't have an inclination toward any hobby or not willing to learn something new, or don't have somebody whom they can confide or whom they can talk to. So meditation is the simplest method of reducing anxiety and managing stress. It increases your attention span and it boosts your physical and mental energy. It helps you develop a positive mindset, which in turn results in enhanced self-esteem, positive self-esteem. And the most beautiful thing I find about meditation is you can do it anytime. You can do it anywhere, indoor, outdoor, even when you are traveling. And it requires no equipments and it has no side effects at all, unlike exercises, because if you not exercise in proper manner, it can damage, it can have negative effects, but meditation will have no side effects. One more beautiful thing about meditation is you can begin meditation even if you don't know how to do it. For the beginner, the best meditation is to focus on breathing. You have to just bring your attention to a breathing, and if your mind gets distracted, bring it back to follow your breathing pattern. And gradually you can join any meditation programs, meditation groups, you can have the guided meditation apps. And if you would like me to suggest you someone who can, the groups you can join for the meditation, or you want someone who can take the personal sessions for you for the meditation, I can suggest some names. So please feel free to let me know in the comment box. You just need to pay attention to your body and mind and to be aware that you need it, and then you should have intention to do it. I will never tell you to do something which I have not practiced myself. And from my experience, I can tell you that meditation has really immensely helped me in beating anxiety and stress and staying in the right frame of mind, having a positive mindset even in the adverse situations. And I am sure it will help you beat anxiety and stress and have a right frame of mind and physically fit body. So please start meditating. If you liked it, please pass it on, because sharing is caring. If your one share can help even a single person, if this video is able to motivate either you or someone, that will be my biggest reward. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it for more such videos if you liked it, and share with others. Thank you so much. See you soon.